With Aweber landing pages, you can create a custom thank you page with another Aweber landing page. First, create a new landing page. And over on the left, choose thank you pages from the templates. And I wanted to show this one in particular because there's a really cool GIF on there. We'll replace our logo. You can change around the text if you want to, and we'll finish up by giving it a name. And then we'll save our new thank you page. Now we'll publish it and copy the URL to our clipboard. Now we'll go over to our main thank you page, the thank you page that's collecting subscribers. Click on the sign up form on that page, and under submission, add our custom thank you page that we just built. When we preview that, you'll see our thank you page. So now anybody filling out that sign up form on the landing page will be directed to our new custom thank you page. So go ahead, try this in your account today. And if you don't have an Aweber account yet, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.